Remain steadfast.
Hey, Chief! Ready to kick some ass?
Always.
Ten seconds.
Light the way.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fight!
Finally. Without delay. Our time is short. Eternity awaits. Like the waves
Rise again.
Our time is short.
Go forth and claim the altars in my name. The Raven Lord demands it. You cannot die. We still have hope. The altar is ours. Fire upon the Gravekeeper.
Fire upon the core! Shatter it!
This realm, and mine alone.
Our time is short.
Focus upon this hero.
Remain steadfast.
To all who serve the Gravekeeper.
Fortune favors the bold.
The altar will rise shortly, heroes. Be ready. We must capture them quickly.
Without delay. Understood.
The altars have risen. Activate them now. I am Lord Ezreal, and you will not pass from me. Yes, slay them. Death to all who serve with double kill. Triple kill.
Awaits us.
We should capture this mercenary camp. Good work. Let's keep it up.
I'm low on that.
Good work. Let's keep it up.
This enemy must be punished.
Yes, slay them.
Our time is short. I stand victorious.
Killing spree.
Meteor. Must act. Finally.
Lay claim to the altars. Do not disappoint me.
I must act.
Enough of this charade. Bring down the Gravekeeper's core.
Let's attack this fort. Finally.
Double kill.
Keep it up. I must flee. Hold the line, friend. These mercenaries could be of use to us.
Understood.
These mercenaries could be of use to us. We should capture this mercenary.
Eternity awaits us.
Death to all who serve the Gravekeeper.
The
The
battle is
Gravekeeper
mine.
claims another tower. Mayhem. Once more, the altars rise from the depths.
Without delay.
Way
Be
to go.
swift, heroes. Do not let the Gravekeeper's cronies reach the altars before you. Your power is with me. Gravekeeper, like all the others.
Without delay.
You have done well, heroes. Let the Gravekeeper know my power.
I will not give up so easily.
This realm will be mine, and mine alone.
I must act. Understood.
I am not happy about this. We need to evolve.
We should capture this mercenary camp. These mercenaries could be of use to us.
The altars are rising, heroes. Do get ready. We have lost a
Eternity
tower.
awaits us. Understood.
Take the altars and put an end to the Gravekeeper. You've done well. Might I suggest
You are no longer welcome. This realm turns against you.
These mercenaries could be of use to us.
Like the way.
These mercenaries
Heroes,
could be
I
of
have
use
opened
to
a
us.
tunnel near our core that leads to the battleground center. Use it well.
Our time.
What?
Sure.
I mean, I never do that. I've opened my tunnel as well.
Double kill.
Someone's been practicing.
Enemy must be punished. Justice has been met.
Slay them, mine.
Very impressive.
Killing spree.
These mercenaries could be of use to us.
Yourselves, heroes. The altars